Good day. You're welcome back to class. I'm your friend in mathematics class, Mr. Olayemi Adewale. Today, we are dealing with solid shapes. And last week, we read with plane shapes. Find the perimeter of plane shapes, areas of plane shapes. Now we are moving to the solid shapes. And what is solid shapes? Solid shapes are objects that occupy space. Underline the word occupy space. They are called three-dimensional figures, 3D. Their surfaces are called faces. Faces meet at the edges, and the edges meet at the vertices. Examples of these three-dimensional shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, pyramid, prism, etc. We have more than this. These are called solid shapes, and it occupies space. Like matches box occupies space. Like bone feature tin occupies space. Is that taking like cartons occupy space because you can put some quantity of things inside, not like a plane like rectangle that cannot hold. Therefore, we are going to look at the name of the shape, the properties, and the formula for the volume of that three-dimensional shape. The first one is cube, and here label fill, this face label F, this place label here. That fill is representing vertex, where two or more edges meet. The face here is this place where I put cube is called face, and this line where you have this line is called edges. Now let's move down to the properties. 1. It has all its faces in a square shape, and it is 6. 2. It has 8 vertices. 3. It has 12 edges. 4. The plane angles of the cube are the right angle. 5. All the vertices are 90 degrees. Now, what is the formula for volume of a cube? Now, the volume of a cube equals to length times length times length. Why? Because all its sizes are equal. Now, the next one is cuboid, and it has similar properties with cube. Now, here too, it has vertex. This face is called face. This edge, this line is called edge. Now, let's look at the property as well. Let's look at the property. It has 4 rectangular and 2 square. When the height and the base are equal, or 6 rectangle, this is what I'm saying. This is rectangle, the up here is rectangle, the other side is rectangle, and bottom is rectangle. That's 4. This side is a square, this side is square. They are saying that if this place and this line, if they are equal, therefore we call this 2 square and 4 rectangles. But if this place and this place are not equal, it means that we have 6 rectangles. That is why it's a little bit different from this. And what is the volume? The volume of cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height. And therefore, we must put our unit, cube unit. The next one is cone. The next one is cone. See, cone like a funnel. It has this place I put B, this place I put H, this place I put V. This B is called circular base. The line, this black at the center, is called height. The apex here is called V vertex, where the 2 slant height meet here. That's it here, vertex. Alright. That white line, this slant height here and this slant height here are 2 slant height, but they are not the original that we're going to use for calculation. Okay, what are the properties of this cone? Property of cone: 1, it has a vertex point or apex. 2, it has no edges. 3, it has one face, which is the circular base. 4, it has slant eye. What are the formula for finding this? The volume of cone equals to 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. Is that taken? All right. The next one is cylinder. And we have, I label this one TH, CS, and BH. The TB here is top base, CH curve surface, and BB means bottom base. And this is a circle, this is a cylinder. What are the properties? It has no vertex. 2, it has 2 edges. 3, it has 3 faces, that is the bottom base, the top base, and the curved surface. All right, what is the formula for the volume of the cylinder? It is equals to pi times r squared times h. Now our pi is a fixed value and the r is radius of the circle, like we have it in cone 2, is the radius of the circle, and that is the formula for finding the cylinder, volume of a cylinder. The next one is sphere. And this sphere, the line here is radius. And let's look at the properties of sphere. 1, it has no edges or vertices, that's called corner. It has one surface. I didn't call it face, surface. It is perfectly symmetrical. That is, there is no way you can say this is rectangle or square. It's symmetrical. All points on the surface are at the same distance r from the center. That is, from this center here to this edge is the same thing from center here to this place. From this place to this place is the same thing. Is that taking? And what is the volume of the sphere? It is 4/3 times pi times r cube. And the unit is also cube unit. That's about that. Then the next one is hemisphere. And hemisphere is half of sphere. Look at it here. This diagram. Hemisphere, just like we cut the sphere into 2. Therefore, they have similar property. Now, it is a half of a sphere. 2, it has one flat surface, which is not in a sphere, because we've cut it into 2. The surface now, this circular surface. Flat surface, which is circular base. All points on the surface are the same distance from the radius. And our volume for the hemisphere is equal to 2/3 times pi times r raised to power 3. The r is radius, and the unit is also cube unit. The next one is pyramid. Look at the pyramid. We have different types of pyramid. We are going to look at triangular pyramid. And what are the properties? 1, triangular base pyramid are formed from triangle. 2, it has 6 straight edges. 3, it has 4 vertices. 4, it has slant height. 5, it has 4 flat face. Now, the volume of the triangular pyramid is equals to 1/3 times A times H. Now, look at this A is the area, the base area, and you know that the base area, since it's triangle, an area of triangle is equals to 1/2 times base times height. We need to get the value of A, this A, and after that one you substitute into this formula. Is that taken? And the unit is still cube unit. Now the next one is prism. Look at this one too. This is a prism. It has 5 flat faces, including 2 triangles. It has 2 ends that are the same shape at the end. Number 3, it has the same cross section along its edges and shape from end to end. Now the formula to use for the volume of prism is equals to A times H, where that A is area of triangle, which is half times base times height. We need to find the area of this triangle first. This place. This is the height of triangle. This is the height of the prism. You get this area of this triangle at the top. Then we multiply it with this height of the prism. Is that taken? All right. Thank you.